In hot weather, bird baths are incredibly beneficial and often crucial for birds. Just like any animal, birds need to drink water to stay hydrated, and in hot conditions, their need for water increases as they become dehydrated quickly. Birds don't sweat like humans do. To cool down, they often pant, evaporating water from their respiratory system, or bathe. Splashing in a bird bath helps them dissipate body heat through evaporative cooling from their feathers and skin. Bathing is also essential for keeping their feathers clean and in good condition. Clean bird feathers are more efficient for flight and insulation, helping them regulate their body temperatures more effectively. A reliable source of fresh water, especially moving water, like from a dripper or mister, can attract a wide variety of birds to your yard, including those that might not visit bird feeders. During hot, dry periods, natural water sources often become scarce, making a bird bath a vital resource for local bird populations. Change the water daily to prevent the growth of mosquitoes, harmful bacteria, and algae, which can thrive in warm weather. Give the bird bath a good scrub regularly. Most birds prefer shallow water, 1 to 2 inches deep, for bathing. If your bird bath is deeper, put in some rocks or pebbles to provide perching spots at various depths. Place bird bath in a shaded area to keep the water cooler for longer and reduce evaporation. I'm going to attach a link at the end of this video on how to make a perfect bird bath. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.